The iVo ReachVac is a fantastic system for vacuuming those out of reach places. Your in-house cleaning teams probably have got areas they can't reach on a regular basis, and this can be very costly, hiring in the right equipment to reach those inaccessible areas. But with the iVo ReachVac, you get up to 11 meters of reach. There's one of two kits, either 6.5 meters or 11 meters, and this can give your cleaning teams the capability to get to all those areas they need to clean on a regular basis. With the compact base vacuum, it's a super compact kit that can be transported anywhere on your site for cleaning. Why not ask for a demo today? We'll be glad to bring one along to show you how effective they are.